It's our day pass for the day. Have to scratch it. See? Time to pass. I just scratch it off. I don't know what time. Later. I tried 3 different gasoline stations. The third one finally has it last night.
Tapos mamaya balikan doon yung ano, yung nandun yung sasakyan niya mamaya. Kukunin natin sa
Wow, okay din naman pala inflatable. So inflatable lahat.
Ano yan lahat ni Kuya Noel at
Talaga?
Oo,
Cute. Ito yung binili niyang tatluhan.
pagkarating natin magbalik tayo.
Oo, sabi sakto tayo 500 pounds ha. Sabi ni Susan, 300 ka 100.
Magpa-paddleboard ako. Hindi ako marunong ng-paddleboard pero mag-aaral lang mag-paddleboard.
Asa na yung ano niyan?
Asa na yung paddle?
Ayan, nandun kay
Dito ang
Kuya.
paddle. Let's go.
This is so full of so full of green. Hindi, doon na pala may algae. Ma-algae din ba dito? Wow!
They don't even have to paddle.
Oo, paano ako?
Wala. Hi!
Oh no, there's a water current. Nanir.
Oh no.
Kaya mo yan, Day.
Wala tala ako ng alas. Sumama na lang ako sa inyo.
Bawal na. Touch me not. No, el filibusteris mo. Anuin mo din, Joy.
Hi!
Kasama ka lang sa current, Hayaan mo na, maligo ka na lang. Wala namang algae.
This is fun.
This is fun ko, no?
This is fun. Hi, this is fun. It's fun, right?
Ano ba yan? Tumatalikod. Ayan, paddleboard pa more. Ay! Huwag ka na! Hold na, hold.
Na lang ako paano.
Hi!
Paddleboard pa more. Oh, may pa-music sila, Day.
It's so fun.
So fun ka dyan.
Ganyan dapat tayo. Alam mo, hindi ako nakikinig kanina na sabi yung record.
ADHD ka talaga. Confirm. Kailangan mo ng Stratera.
Kaya nga nagkakamatch kami.
Yehey! Dapat pala may GoPro stand. May GoPro stand dun sa harapan nun. Back and front and back.
This is your time to shine. Hayahay Manoy. Hi guys. I need to change battery, it's getting low.
Nandito yung soulmate.
Nandito? Magpatihulog na lang ako, no? Kasi baka wala magsiligtas.
I forgot. It had red things on its wing. Where? It says
Hi! We're drifting, like drifting.
We got stuck.
We got stuck.
Enjoy.
Yeah, beautiful day. Yep.
another horse. Horses!
Ayla, stop yelling. They might run.
Look!
Ang hirap mag-document.
Medyo nakasalalay sa'yo ang mga documentation natin. Pati movie.
Ay, kay Miss Vlogger.
Did you see the horse?
She's doing a video of the horse.
Don't be noisy, kay. They might run. Madami ng... Ito na yung Salt River.
Emery, did you see the horse? Emery, look at the horse.
Saan ka nag-park?
Doon pa. Halfway pa lang tayo lang.
Ay, piste. Pag-uwi pa lang ang oras na. 1 hour?
It's 7 miles. 1 hour lang naman.
1 hour na one way. I mean half. 1 hour, half. 1 hour pa ulit.
That's not bad.
Not bad for a first timer, no?
I got it.
Ipa, ganyan. O, ganyan. Ayan.
Oh no.
Ayan, tayo.
Mami, hindi ako makatayo dito. Shit.
Paul Rees,
Why did he
75.
not bring Chloe? She might get back.
What's today's date? What's your name?
Alert-oriented, coherent.
Try mo nga. Check mo na bago magtayo.
Oh, the wind is blowing.
I think kailangan kong tumayo.
Wow.
Yan.
Pak.
Wide legs dapat.
Huwag mo nang paggalawin. Paano ba ito?
Paano ako sasagwan?
Sides.
Mas mabangga ka na doon sa gilid. Which one?
Oh!
Ay, huli yun! Nahuli yun sa camera. Ay, malalim din.
We made it to the other side.